Welcome. I am Prince Reward Entertainment, and I will be telling you about tortoise. Tortoises are reptiles that have a large shell on their back for protection. Unlike other turtles, tortoises live almost exclusively on land, whilst most turtles are aquatic, meaning they live primarily in water. Most tortoises are herbivores, and they live in diverse habitats across the world. Depending on the specific species, tortoises vary in size. Some tortoises are very small, with shells that are less than 10 centimeters long. There are other tortoises, such as the Galapagos giant tortoise, which can grow to be over 1.2 meters in length. Tortoises are generally active in the daytime. This is known as being diurnal. Many species of tortoise are active in the twilight period, but sleep through the night. Tortoises are also extremely long-lived, and they are actually the longest living land animal. Most tortoise species have a lifespan of about 150 years, but some can live for over 200 years. Tortoises are also very slow-moving due to their slow metabolic rate. The average walking speed of a tortoise is 0.2 lc/0.5 kilometers per hour. What do tortoises eat? Most tortoises are herbivores and will eat grass, leaves, flowers, and fruits. There are some tortoises that are omnivores, and these will eat insects and worms. Tortoises that had adapted to eat different types of plants contributed to Charles Darwin, creating the theory of evolution, as he noticed that tortoises that lived on islands with tall plants had adapted longer necks and upward-pointing hoods on their shells to allow them to reach up higher, whilst tortoises that lived on islands with lots of vegetation on the ground did not have these features. Are tortoises an endangered species? Many species of tortoise are endangered, including all the varieties of Galapagos giant tortoise. The main reason why they are endangered is due to the fact that they have been hunted by humans, as tortoises are considered a delicacy in many cultures, and their shells were a valuable trading commodity. Many zoos across the world are home to examples of vulnerable or endangered species of tortoise. At one point, there were only 3,000 Galapagos tortoises left, but thanks to conservation efforts the number has risen to over 19,000. This is still much lower than the 250,000 giant tortoises that existed in the 16th century. Why do tortoises have shells? Tortoises have shells for protection, and they can withdraw inside their shells to hide from predators. Unlike some other armored species like armadillos, the shell of a tortoise is actually part of its bone structure. This is why tortoises cannot leave their shells. Tortoise shells are extremely hard and protect them from predators like hawks. The tortoise's shell can also protect it from other threats, and the color of the shell of a tortoise determines its species. The shell of a tortoise is also good at absorbing heat from the sun, which tortoises need to survive as they are cold-blooded. Fun facts about tortoises. Tortoises have very small brains. Tortoises lay eggs, and females will bury their eggs to keep them safe from predators. A tortoise called Jonathan is currently the longest living land animal in the world. At 189 years old, tortoises have existed for over 55 million years. A group of tortoises is called a creep. Thank you for watching. I am Prince Reward Entertainment. Don't forget to share, comment, and follow me for more.